Hi, sweet pea. Hi, cutie pie. Can I get a smile, Miss Payton? Oh, yeah. You tell me a story. Hi. Okay. Hi, Miss Payton. Hi. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now what? Oh. Okay. How about this? Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm ready for the story. You can tell me now. Hi, Payton. Payton. Ooh. Hi, you looking at me? Are you looking at me? What's Daddy doing with this stupid camera in my face? I just want to talk to you. I just want to talk to you. Okay. Okay. How about a laugh? Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Yeah? Is that right? Is that right, Payton? Is that right? Payton, hi. Oh. Oh. That's a good one. That's a good one. How about another one? Oh, is that right? What else are you gonna say to me? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Oh no, are those the hiccups? How was your dinner? Oh boy. Ooh. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yep, those are the hiccups, all right. Well, you can tell me a story later after the hiccups are gone. Okay. Say I love you. I love you. I love you, sweet pea. Yeah. Okay.